high. We're at that time of year again where people are done with the holiday hangover and they're collecting the information they need to file their taxes, and they're wondering what the market's going to be for the remainder of 2024. So stay tuned if you want some information on a very large subject broken down into bite-sized pieces. Hello, I'm Carla with Coldwell Banker Denver West, and welcome to Table Talks. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about the market, real estate market, or overall Denver market that come into me through different channels. If you are interested in submitting something, I am on Facebook or Instagram at Selling Dwelling CO. I also am on LinkedIn and YouTube at Carla Knight Homes. So what is economic forecasting? Actually, it is just somebody's opinion based on the data. And it's a very largest piece of pizza that you can imagine, broken down into bite-sized pieces. And I am always thankful for Elliot Eisenberg, who does Coldwell Banker's economic forecast every year. He is internationally renowned, and he also is known as the bow tie economist. So you may have heard of him. If not, check out my YouTube channel. There's a link here that you can hear the full evaluation of what he feels like the whole economy looks like. What I want to do for you today is narrow it down to 3 simple thoughts for the real estate market if you're looking to buy or sell here in the Metro Denver area, because that's an important piece for those of us in the market. First of all, because the economy has slowed down in the recession, and there are only two sections of the economy that are showing inflation, and that is fuel and food, then interest rates are thought to be able to stay the same or lower. Because we're not quite at the 2.7% number that the feds are wanting, we are still seeing a little bit higher interest rates right now. We are not expected to see any lowering of those interest rates until Q3, possibly Q4 of this year. That shouldn't deter you if you're looking to buy a home, because the amount of appreciation will offset that. Secondly, what we're going to start seeing, and what we have started seeing, is that people are needing to make that change, a housing change right now. And so you're going to see more competitive offers and more competitive bidding. You are also going to see less seller concessions. So if you're waiting for interest rates, it may cost you more, and you may not get everything that you're looking for. Third idea is the value that you're going to receive on the purchase. As I mentioned, the increase in value every year at a minimal 4% is going to get you more than what you'll see in any other areas of appreciation. So buying a home is always a good idea. 2 interest rate points is where you need to wait to see some relief. If you refinance, buy now. If you don't use any seller's concession for buy downs, then in another time frame where your interest rates have lowered to 2 points, then that could mean that it could save you a couple $100 more a month on your payment. So buying now might be better to not have quite as much competition, to make sure that you are getting what you need, and to also maybe put in an offer that is not a full price offer. You may not always get that at this point, because we are seeing some competitiveness in the beginning of the year, but as we get closer to the middle and the end of the year, you're going to be there with a lot of other people. So that is the overview. And if you would like to watch the full forecast done by Elliot Eisenberg, tap into my YouTube or the link, and let's hear from you with any questions you have about the market. Again, I'm Carla with Coldwell Banker. I am a realtor in the Metro Denver area, and I'm happy to answer any and all of your questions.